welcome back, and it's another sunny morning in New York City, and I'm going to the Manhattan side to make more superb videos for you guys, and it's gonna be a very long and fun trip. Let's go there and have some fun. Let's go in the train to go to Manhattan City. Yay! I'm enjoying the ride of the train. Wow! Now I'm in the heart of Manhattan, Times Square, and I feel a mesmerizing feeling over here. There are a lot of YouTube, cartoons, and film characters here. Let's go and have some fun with them. Wow, look at that! Disney store! Look what we have found! What? In Times Square. It's time to say goodbye to Timescape, and if you want more videos like this,